How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Furious Technology. Today we are going to be installing a glass screen protector on my brand new iPhone SE. You must have a glass screen protector. They are the best and cheapest investment you can get for protection of your new phone. So let's go ahead and install it. There are several things included with the screen protector package, including a cloth, the sticker for dust removal, so you can use those to remove dust. And then we've got the wet and dry wipes, as well as this little applicator tool, so it kind of presses down your screen protector. So we'll go ahead and use those in a sec, but first of all, let's just use the wipe. That's the first step. Wipe off your screen so it looks nice and fresh. There we go. And then let's grab the wipes. First, we'll start with the wet wipe. We'll go ahead and open that. And we'll put the wet wipe all just right on the screen right here. And you can see it kind of just applying that little wet layer on top, which is good. And that will get rid of any dust or anything like that. And then we'll grab the dry wipe and we'll open up the dry wipe. And we'll go ahead and use that as well. And that will kind of dry it off. Perfect, looking good so far. And then you want to grab your little sticker tools here and you want to just go like that, just kind of twist it into a little bit of a U shape. And then you just want to sticky all around and get all of the excess dust or anything. Make sure you don't touch your screen now unless you're just using your sticky. And then you want to do this pretty quickly. Grab your screen protector and we're gonna align it from the top and bottom together. I do notice a little piece of dust that just came on there, so I'll grab that off. I'm just gonna get up here and we're just going to align it with your top little area right here, which is your speaker right up top. And then as long as that looks good, and then we're gonna align the bottom area right here with the button. And there we go. And we're just gonna let it rest, and then we're gonna grab our applicator tool. We're gonna press in the middle, and you can see how it kind of disperses out. And then we're gonna use the applicator tool just to press more along the edges. And we're just gonna use any little excess bubbles that have stayed in there. You can see itty bitty bubbles in there. We're just gonna press those out. And once they're all out, it will be all perfectly here. So we'll just press all around the edges perfectly fine. As I'm pressing buttons on my phone, I'll just lock it down again. But there we go. We'll get all those excess buttons out. You can see it's perfectly aligned at the top right there and perfectly aligned at the bottom. And once it's all done, you want to give it just some wipes to clean it all off. And then you've got a perfectly installed and working glass screen protector. Very, very easy. The one thing I do highly recommend doing is make sure you do it quite fast, because otherwise you risk getting dust or dirt or little pieces of hair or anything underneath your screen protector. Then it's pretty hard to get off. If you do happen to get dust on there, you can slightly lift the edges and then just use Scotch tape, and then you can pull out little pieces of dust. If you do it perfectly the first time, then you should have no problems with that. That's how you do it. If you guys want to pick up this exact screen protector and the kit that I have, I will link it in the description box below. Thank you very much for watching. Hit that thumbs up and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.